Good evening. My name is Justin Jose Thomas. Registration number UR15CA031. I got an experiment in array in classes. It states about write a C++ program that calculates the average of up to 100 English distance input by the user. Create an array of object of the distance class to calculate the average. Use add dist member function and use div dist member function that divides a distance value by an integer. I will show you the program. So from here, hash include iostream. It's the header file using namespace std. I am giving a name dist as our distance as of class. Then private, it is an access specifier of feet is of int data type and inches is of float data type. Then public distance. Then feet I am initializing as feet equals to 0 and inches also equals to 0. Then distance int ft and float in is the argument which I am passing. Then feet equals to ft I am declaring, and inches I can write as in. Then void get dist it is I'm using as a function to get the input from the user. Now cout enter the feet, cin it will store that feet. Then cout enter inches, cin the inches will be stored. Then void show this constant. um, cout feed, then inches it will store and it will print to the output screen. Then void add of this bracket this distance comma distance. Then void div of this distance comma int it will show, it will pass the argument. Then void distance function I am calling of add this distance d1 and distance d2 I am initializing. Inches is equals to d2 dot inches plus d3 dot inches. It will add the inches and it will store that inches into that this inches. Then feet equals to 0 if inches is greater than equals to 12.0, inches equals to 12.0, then feet will be incremented plus 1. Then feet plus equals to d2 dot feet plus d3 dot feet. Then d1 d2 and d3 feet will be plus and it will store in this feet. Then void distance of div dist of distance d2 and int divisor. Float flt feet equals to d2 dot feet plus d2 dot inches divided by 12.0, 12.0 because of float data type. Then flt of feet should be divisible and it will be equal to divisor. Then feet equals to int of flt feet. The inches should be equals to flt feet minus feet into 12.0. Then from here our main function will start. Distance this array of 100, it is an I'm making an array name I have given as this array. It can store up to 100 element. Then distance total 0 comma 0 0.0 comma average. Then I'm initializing count equals to 0. Then character ch cout handle. Then I'm going to start the do while loop. So from here do cout enter distance number. It will show you to the output screen. Then this array count plus plus it will increment dot get dist cout enter another number. It will ask whether if you want to press y or n. Then cin ch. Then the while loop will start. If ch not equals to n, then for loop will continue. For int j equals to 0, j should be less than count j plus plus. Then total dot add dist bracket total comma dist array of j it will show. Then average it will give the value to average dot div dist bracket total comma count. Then the total average will be shown to the output screen. Here cout the average is, then the average dot show dist cout and return 0 because I am using as an int main. I am going to build and run the program to show the output. So from here enter distance number, enter the feet. My feet is 4 feet and enter inch 5 inch. Want to continue? Yes, I want to continue, so I press y. Enter distance number again, it will show. Enter the feet. My feet is 6 feet or 7.6 inches. Then enter another y. Enter the distance number, enter the feet 6 feet 4 inches. Enter another. No, I don't want to continue, so I press n. Now the average is 6 feet 4 inch. And this is my output. That's all. Thank you.